What's up, you guys? So I have not vlogged in a while, and I know a lot of people enjoy the POVs, because I think I did one of my car. So I'm gonna do a POV of me driving a bagged car, and it is a little bit bouncy. But if you guys have been following the channel, I do have a bagged FRS. Most common car to have and for it to be bagged. But I'm currently running a 47 PSI in the front and a 452 PSI in the back. I'm listening to Doja Cat right now. But yeah. This is how it is to drive one of these. Later today we might be going to a car meet. I think it starts at 8, but I don't know. We might see, because if you guys can tell, it's super windy. Like, way too windy. Should be going out to a car meet. So, yeah. Look at that car right there. Slammed in the front. Well, not slammed, but it's pretty low. running through